need it. Use it.
I know Sam said you don't want to put up a tree and stuff this year, but you should put up some
Oh, I definitely will.
trees.
Did I do it every year? Did I do it last year too? With the white tree.
That's another thing we sold.
Your white tree.
My mom had this one tree. Well, there was a brand new one in the box too. It wasn't even open.
Oh, wow.
But she had this one real bushy tree that she's had forever. And these old 50s lights with the oil in them.
Oh my
Remember that?
god.
You know, the old oil lights.
Wow.
Don't do that.
Duke. You know that cats are the bomb. It's not dogs, it's cats. Cats are the bomb.
Oh, hi, precious. Well, I'll see you tomorrow.
Good, it's Richie!